I am Dr. Ajeya Deshpande, consultant orthopedic surgeon practicing at Manipal Hospital, Jayanagar and Manipal Clinic, Begur. I am graduated MBBS from JJ Medical College, Davangere. Further, I have done my D.Ortho from Sri Devarajas Medical College, Kola, and then I have done my DNB Orthopaedics from Medical Hospital, Hyderabad. Further, I have done my fellowship in joint replacement surgery from Hospital Hospital, Bangalore. Then I have done my fellowship in arthroscopy and sports medicine surgery from Manipal Hospital, Bangalore. Then to add on a recent profile, I have done my MBA in Healthcare Administration and Hospital Management from Divya Patil, Pune. Recently, I have done my AVO Masters course from Switzerland. And recently, in the last few months, I got a fellowships in robotic and hip and knee replacement surgeries profile. I am expertise in doing orthoplasty surgeries for the hip and knee joint. My area of interest is knee and hip joint replacement surgeries, knee and shoulder arthroscopic surgeries, complex trauma pelvic vestibular and ankle surgeries, and complex upper limb trauma surgeries. Thank you.